How to use the wishlist feature on Google Play Store. So if you want to use the wishlist feature on Google Play Store, then what you need to do is you need to simply open up your Google Play Store. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So open up your Play Store and then you can simply choose any application that you would like to add to your wish list. So for example, I'll be choosing an application which is Subway Surfers. Now once you tap on Subway Surfers, you need to go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and here you will have add to wish list. So tap on add to wish list and then that item will be added to your wish list. So if you want to see all of your wish list, then what you need to do is you need to simply go back and then you can go for the profile, which is on the upper right. Once you're here on the profile, you need to go for the library option. Under your library, you will have the wish list. Tap on that and here you will have all of the applications that you have wished for. So that's how you can use the wish list feature on your Google Play Store. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.